Hi, and welcome back to LiveBinders. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete tabs, subtabs, and for our paid users, base tabs. So here's the practice binder I'm going to be working in. I'm going to open it up in edit mode. And then once you're in edit mode, you'll see a series of options up here at the top. To start, I'm going to show you how to add a series of main tabs. Simply click on the tab button here, and the tabs will appear in your binder. And for each main tab, you can add subtabs. So I'll add a couple to this main tab here. And if you're one of our paid subscribers and you want a third level of tabs underneath your subtabs, you can add what we call base tabs. And you're most likely going to want to name these tabs so your viewers can jump straight to the content that they need. You can rename them simply by clicking directly on the tab. So I'll just, for example, I'll name this one File Uploads. And then I'll name the subtabs underneath it with image. It's going to be PDF. And we'll name the base tabs as well. Do example 1 and example 2. And there is another way for adding tabs, and that's with this drop-down menu located in each tab. And you'll see various options here, from adding a new tab to a sub-tab, to clearing the tab's contents, deleting the tab, and even setting the tab color. And from here I can also delete tabs as well. So I'll look for the red X and delete this new tab I just created. And something to remember is that if you wanted to delete a main tab, one thing to note is that everything underneath that main tab will also be deleted. So that includes any subtabs or base tabs you may have added as well. And as you can see, everything is now gone, so I'll just undo that. But if you want to keep a main or sub-tab intact, you can delete the tab underneath it without affecting the content above. And if for some reason you do this by mistake, you can still undo the action by clicking undo before the save hits. And that's how you add and delete tabs in your binder.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.